Imagine a place where tradition meets modernity, where ancient temples stand tall amidst bustling night markets. Welcome to southern Taiwan. Tainan, often called Taiwan's Kyoto, is a city where narrow lanes hide centuries-old shrines and temples, blending history with a vibrant social scene. Just south, Kaohsiung, Taiwan's industrial powerhouse, is transforming into a cultural hub with its lively night markets and creative spaces. Venture further south to Kending, Taiwan's tropical playground, where sun-kissed beaches and exotic flora await. Off the southeast coast, the islands of Ludao and Lanyu offer stunning natural scenery and a glimpse into traditional island life. In Taitung, the slower pace of life allows indigenous cultures to thrive, with hot springs and unspoiled forests providing a serene escape. Kaohsiung's Liuhe night market is a sensory overload, with food stalls offering local culinary delights and countless bargains. The southwest, known as Taiwan's Big Sky Country, is a fertile land of open spaces, traditional temples, and vast sugarcane fields. Ludao Saltwater Hot Spring is a rare natural phenomenon, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and scuba diving. From the rugged canyons of Viben Hot Springs to the dramatic rock formations of Lanyu, southern Taiwan is a treasure trove of natural and cultural wonders. Discover it all.